So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, myself Adhil Reddy. So today I'm going to unbox my new DJI Mini 2 drone which I bought from America. So let's jump into it. So I bought this drone from America. So we'll jump into unboxing right now. So the main reason I bought this drone to India is like first of all it doesn't require any license to play around with this drone or else record any video with this drone, and there is no complication in India. But the only thing is that it only flies up to 15 meters. I have an hack for that. I'll be bringing up that one very soon. I need some time for accessing it, and I want some time to understand how the things are going on with this drone. So first of all, if you actually I buy DJI Mini to fly more combo, so that you'll be getting two extra batteries, to totally 3 batteries with a two-way hub charging. So either you can charge the batteries or you can use these batteries to charge any other device, so no issues. So this is the two-way hub pack, 3 batteries, and you'll be getting a controller for DJI drone, so that you can control your drone directly up to 10 kilometers without any, if it doesn't have any radio noises, like example Wi-Fi noise or else any, like how to, it's like frequency noises. If you doesn't have any frequency noise, it can you can able to fly this drone up to 10 kilometers with the help of this controller. So 10 kilometers in America it's okay. Now it's in India, actually it's 6 kilometers, so you'll be having 2 different Wi-Fi's inside here. One is FCC, another one is notification. Sorry dudes. So other one is 6 kilometers range. So this is the thing. You'll be having a bunch of buttons. I'll be showing you this controller later once I will show my drone right now. So this bag also you'll be getting with Fly More combo, so that you can keep all the stuff and you can just dump it your stuff here and you can carry it anywhere throughout the world. So no issues with this drone, because this drone comes on the toy category in India. I guess I have said this before. So it weighs up to 250 grams, less than 250 grams this drone. So this is the DJI Mini 2, and this is the bottom side. So the main difference between Mavic Mini and Mini 2 is nothing. That records 2.7K, what Mavic Mini records 2.7K, and this can record up to 4K 30 frames per second, which the configuration is very good for beginners to use this. And you'll be getting all the things whatever you got in Mini. You'll be getting Mini 2. The only 2 major upgrade is your controller and the sensor of this camera. Nothing else, so everything is same. And the other thing, it has a level 5 wind resistance, so that whether if you go up, the drone doesn't make the drone balance by itself, even though if the wind blows up your drone. So it's a great thing for DJI to create such thing in a small compact thing. I'll just unwrap it, so we'll start it. So the wing came out, okay. However, I should unbox it right now. So this is the case, so that it helps your propellers to keep in safe place. So this is the thing you'll be getting in drone itself. And first of all, you need to like you have to what we'll see, you have to unfold the wings here. So I'll remove this top one, so that this is a case for what you'll say, to protect your camera. So yeah, these 2 are main important for this drone to keep safe. I'll keep this thing aside. So this is DJI Mini 2. This is the sensor at the front. As you can see, you can written as 4K here, and this is the top profile for the of this drone. This is the top profile, and this is the bottom profile. Sorry, the back profile. So that the main thing I want to say this the drone about, it's very small and it's very short, and it is very compact to go very high. This drone, in this drone you can insert a battery here. So I'll insert right now. I'll show it to you right now. So I remove it from the 3-way. I've removed it right now, and just pushed up here, and that's it. Now it weighs up to 250 grams. I don't have any weighing machine here to check it. In the review I'll be showing up how much weight does it have. So as you can see, here you can get it. So ultra light, 249 grams here. So that's the main thing, and you can see here it's a mini 2, as it has written here. So here you'll be getting 2 LEDs, one here, another one here. So everything I'll be showing up on review, because this is a new drone. I have got it right now, so I need to check it, like what's there and what's not there. I mean, like how to use it, how to record a video in more slow motion. I mean, like not slow motion, like in a slow way. So I need some time to understand how the drone acts. So in review video definitely I'll be getting all the things, whatever you want. Like I'll be showing you videos, how the things, and I'm going to bring up my small video for my village drone shot. It will be like, I have seen many aerial shots, drone shots in YouTube, right, 4K and the thing. So it inspires me to do the things. So I'll just make a 4K video by using this drone. I'll upload it so that you can understand how the drone is capable for taking 4K shots. Another thing, if you buy the Fly More combo, you'll be getting extra propellers, so that either if you lost any propellers, you'll be getting propellers here, so you can keep everything here on the pouch itself. So yeah, you'll be getting extra, I get 1, 2, 3, 3 pairs of propellers, where either side, like these were top and these were bottom side, so that you will be getting 3 of them with this, and you'll be getting a tool where you can remove the wings, the star tool. 1 second, I'll just show it to you. Yeah, this is the tool, and you can unscrew here, and so that it can you can remove it, and you can plug the you can screw this, and you can use the propellers in that way. So you'll be getting a tool here, and you'll be getting extra joystick for your controller. As I guess you can see here, this is the extra joysticks for your controller. So these are the things which I got, and you'll be getting connector for C2 USB Type B in the sense micro USB, and other way you'll be getting from USB-C to Lightning connector for Apple products, for iPhone and for iPads. So it is ideal for that. And for me, I've kept inside from USB-C to USB-C itself. As you can see here, USB-C to USB-C itself. So these are the 3 connectors. So these are things which you'll be getting for a Fly More combo. This wise, it's normal, you'll be getting on normal drone also itself. So the drone cost me around 65,000 from America, because I paid extra for customs. So that's the reason it takes me 65,000. If you want to buy this drone in India, approximately it costs I guess 90,000 with the offer in Amazon. But if you want to buy it, it costs like 1,28,000. So yeah, it's more complication. It has like when the American any products come from America, the price will be hiking up like that. So these are the things which I have got with Fly More combo. So as I said, it has 4K, it has 5 level of wind resistance, it can go up to 10 kilometers, and it has below, it has 2 sensors at the below, so that it can understand how much height it can descend or ascend. The only the only drawback is you doesn't have the front sensor, so that whenever the obstacle comes and directly it hits, you should be careful with that. So apart from that, everything is fine. I love this drone, and with one battery you can fly it up to 31 minutes. So happily you can fly it, and you can bring it back anywhere. So it has more time compatibility compared to other drones in the market right now. So I have explained about the two-way hub, and I have explained about the drone, and now we'll jump into the controller right now. So I'll take my phone here. So you can mount your phone here at the top. So you need to remove the cable and just keep your phone here, and you can plug your cable here so that you can you can use this phone as a display for your drone. Whatever the drone sees, you can see simultaneously without any issue, so that you can control your drone by seeing on your phone itself. And I said you have a joystick, right? So you can implant it. I mean, like, you can keep secure at the back side. So whenever if you want to go outside, so that this you can unwrap it and you can keep it so that it will be like so flat, and it helps you to not make damage for your joystick, the controllers here. So that if you want to use a drone, you can just unplug it and you can screw it like this, and you can use the drone you can control the drone now. So as you can see, you have an access and you have a nice grip here on the joystick. So you'll be having 4 buttons at the front side. So one, I'll remove the phone, it's a little bit heavy for me. So at the top, these are the antennas for the drone. Wherever your drone goes, so if your drone is here, the antenna should be like this. If your drone going like this, if your antenna is like this, it maybe disconnects if you are flying your drone. If you are flying your drone very far, so if it's nearby, no problem. But make sure that the antenna should be connected to your drone perpendicularly, or parallelly, so that it will help you to drone. You can fly your drone very far. So yeah, these are the antennas for that. And the front side you'll be getting 4 buttons. One is change mode button, for this for a photo and for video also, changing for changing it. And you will be getting a function, so you can use the function button. You can map it on your phone, like you can use it for recenter your gimbal. So this has a 3-axis gimbal, right? So you can if you press one button, it can be recentered your video. So these are the other 2 buttons. This one it can act as to return to home button, and it can use it as pause. So in this drone you'll be having quick shot, so that you can for example, if you use a quick shot like an Droney or else Helio, example a rocket, so that if any obstacle has been occurred at the backside of your drone or its front side, so that you can easily stop it by pressing one button. That's a good place. That's a good button where you cannot make your drone to get damaged. So yeah, here you'll be getting a power button, so that if you press one, you'll be getting the status of your controller. If you press one and if you hold it like that, you can activate your controller. So at the middle, you'll be getting a switch like this, so cine switch and normal switch and sports switch. So it gives you to control your drone, like you can choose your mode to go. Like if you want to go your drone very slow, like for cinema shots example, you can keep it into cine mode. And if you want normal like normally, if you want to go a little bit speed and slow, you can choose normal. And if you want to go fast, example to track a car or else like a video shot, if you want to track a car, a bike or else any action scenes, you can take it by sports mode. So here we have 3 things, 3 modes for our switch. So at the top you'll be getting 2 buttons. One is to record or else shutter button for your drone to take the things, and the other thing is the pitch control for your gimbal, so that you can either you can make your drone camera to be down or else at the point to top, so that it helps you to take the video precisely however you want. So these are the things I got with that drone. And as I said, I'll be bringing up a review video very shortly. I need to learn the drone, how the things are getting better, like how the things will go better if I learn it. It takes time to understand because it's my first putty drone, which I love it, and even my sister love it because it's so cute and it's so very small, compact. It has an GPS built in, so that if you take your drone very far away, you can understand which the drone by using a location tracker, not tracker. You'll be getting it in an app itself. So as I said, I'll be bringing up all the review things to you back. And yeah, I have purchased ND filters for DJI Mini 2,
such that it gives buttery smooth and good quality of video. If you ask why ND filters, as I said before, it gives buttery smooth video. ND filters acts like sunglasses for us. If we wear sunglasses in hot sun, it helps us to see better. So same thing will be happening here. If you talk in photography terminology, it decreases the shutter speeds to get buttery smooth video. So this alone cost me $50 in America. So this is the charger for DJI Mini 2. You will be getting in the box itself.
This is the thing. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Make sure you should bring that bell icon on and like my video, share my video. I'll be bringing up all my review videos very shortly. Actually, my exams are going on. That's why I've been late for uploading the things and editing the things. So yeah, this is my short unboxing for my drone. I bought it from America. So signing off, Adhil Reddy.